my world famous sloppy joes. So we got about a little more than a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil in the bottom. And we're gonna bring this up to a slight smoke because we wanna caramelize one big onion to really give our turkey, which can be a little bland by itself, some savory flavor. Let these sides start to cook, and then we're gonna add our turkey to this once the onions start to brown. We've got turkey, we've got beautiful caramelized onions are starting to work down. Now we have to give it a sauce, this classic sauce. Okay, first we're gonna start off with the ketchup, and about 2 cups of it. And this is gonna begin to caramelize with a high heat in the bottom of the pan. All right, so a little bit of mustard right on top of that. All right, they're gonna hit with about a fat tablespoon of some really good brown sugar, and that's gonna sweeten everything up and balance it out. We got a little bit of tomato paste. I love these tubes of tomato paste. And then a little bit of cayenne pepper to really kind of balance the heat out. All right, then we're gonna season up with a little bit of salt, some fresh cracked pepper, and give it a good stir. And then we're just gonna turn the temperature down and let it start to simmer. Let the sauce start to thicken and really glaze the turkey, and we are gonna be good to go. Last but not least, we're gonna give a little splash of vinegar to freshen it up just a little bit, okay? Just a splash. Now, for me, when we're talking about putting together a really good sloppy joe, you gotta toast the buns, right? So I've got some nice soft buns here. It's gonna go on the plate. Then we're gonna take our sloppy joe, our ultimate sloppy joe. And then we can't forget about our butternut squash coleslaw. Almost looks like a cheeseburger, right?